Here we go, y'all, bitch. Okay, you guys, this is getting really close. The main event, the Usos and Roman Reigns versus Rude, Ziggler, and King Corbin, bitch. The loser of this match gotta eat all that dog food over there, bitch. All that kibbles and bits, all that Purina, all that porridge, all that gravy, bitch, from Salisbury Steak, bitch. That look like TV dinner gravy, bitch. Oh no, Corbin! Let's get ready for this dog food, bitch. Corbin, get up, you're the king. Oh, he tried to bite him. Super kick, knocked his ass out. Get on up and get ready to eat this puppy chow, bitch. Y'all, he still fight back. Before this ends. Oh! Now he gonna eat. Now he gonna eat. Here we go, y'all, bitch. The blessing of the Lord is here. The blessing of the Lord is here. Corbin kicked the table. Oh! Roman Reigns having fun, bitch. Bitch. Oh. That look like leftover chili. Oh! Oh my goodness, bitch. That is giving me refried beans, bitch. That's giving me beans on beans on beans, bitch. That is giving me roll that beautiful bean footage. Oh, look at that! Oh, at the bottom! Oh, God! Bitch, what was that came out of that? Baron Corbin, bitch, you need about 3, 4, 5 baths.
Let them think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. It take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your partners come kill you. Yeah, say with me, then he gotta grow up, cause this nigga gotta be killed. This nigga can't fit in my